Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and we've got a customer Cybertruck here. We're installing T-Sportline's fully forged three-way adjustable rear sway bar, and you can see it up here. It's the red one that's installed in the Cybertruck. Let me give you a little rundown of how that compares to the factory sway bar and all the benefits that are associated with the upgrade. First of all, I've got the factory sway bar here. This is 18.5 millimeters and this is tubular. This has got a hollow inside. It's squeezed down at the end for this connection. The T-Sportline bar is chrome moly. This is actually 25 millimeters versus 18.5, and our bar is completely solid. It's not a hollow piece of tubing. The other difference is on the end of ours, it's fully forged. I've noticed some other aftermarket sway bars take and they weld on the end part here. Ours is fully forged all the way out to the end. It's one piece, indestructible. This has a lifetime warranty. Now, on the end of our bars, it's also three-way adjustable. So if you look at the factory bar, you have one attachment point. The T-Sportline version has 3 attachment points, and you can adjust that from the minimum performance level to the maximum performance level. And let's say you're towing behind your Cybertruck, you're probably gonna want the maximum load on that, and that's gonna be the furthest one out here. And of course, if you adjust it in one position, you start driving your Cybertruck and you don't like the way it feels, or you want it a little tighter, a little looser, easily you can come back in here and readjust it. Nothing wrong with that. Now, beyond the bar itself, the T-Sportline sway bar includes a polyurethane bushing, which is up in here, and a new pillow block for the bushings. And then you're gonna notice that we also have collars on the outside of the sway bar. Those collars can be adjusted in so that the bushing or the sway bar is not moving side to side. All of that is bolt-on up here and fully adjustable. And of course, a polyurethane bushing versus the factory rubber bushing. So you get a little better force management in there as well. And finally, this is a true DIY install. This is not difficult to put on. We've got the back of the truck here opened up so you can see this, but something you can definitely do at home in the driveway. Not too bad, not too hard for a DIYer. All right, everybody, if you're looking to improve the dynamics, the drivability of your Cybertruck, any of the towing capacity, stability coming in and out of turns, check out the three-way adjustable forged sway bar from T-Sportline. Hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We've got a lot more upgrades for the Cybertruck.